Adiós, patria adorada, región del sol querida, perla del mar de oriente, nuestro perdido Edén. A darte voy alegre la triste mustia vida, y fuera más brillante, más fresca, más florida, también por ti la diera por tu bien. En campos de batalla, luchando con delirio, otros te dan sus vidas sin dudas, sin pesar.
Jose, my son.
Padre Faura, I thought I would not see you again.
He will shoot you tomorrow. I begged for mercy, but my voice was weak.
Do not weep, Father. You taught me to search for truth, and truth has brought me here.
You are innocent of rebellion. Why accept this fate so calmly?
Because a man dies only once, Father.
Then die as you have lived, Jose, like a man of faith, like a man of honor. The church teaches us our purgatory, a place where souls, not yet worthy of heavens, are purified suffering. Does this not trouble you?
Purgatory? Yes, I have heard of it since boyhood, a place between mercy and justice. Tell me, Father, is it fire or is it conscience?
It is both mystery and hope, a fire that cleanses, not condemns, a passage, not a prison. For even the righteous as we are, must be refined before seeing God.
Then, perhaps, Father, purgatory is true.
Jose, you see with a poet's eyes. But remember, beyond the suffering from this world lies God's embrace.
Purgatory is the bridge, then let me cross it with dignity, not with fear, but with faith in the justice of God.
Then I shall pray for your swift passage, my son, that heaven may receive you without delay.
I shall pray, Father, for our people.
Rest now, Jose. Tomorrow will come swiftly.
Yes, Father.
After that, Jose Rizal spent his last moments with Josephine Bracken. At dawn, on December 30, 1896, Jose Rizal began his final walk from Fort Santiago to Bagumbayan Field. The March of Death became the march of a nation's awakening.
Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonso Realonda, convicted of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy, sentenced to death by firing squad.
Ating tamis ng pagsasama.
Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Eh, sa kauya ka.
Go.
Jose Protasio Rizal Bestado.
You are innocent of rebellion. Why accept this fate so kindly?
Kalaman lang.
Jose Pro...
Tomorrow, I beg for mercy. Jose, my son.
Tunay ni.
Padre Paura. Ay, siya kami ano dito.
Jose Protasio Rizal Bestado.
Versado.
Lagi sa dua ke Belska.
Yes.